All right, for question number 3, we have to have the fractions either, you can either eliminate the fraction, let's write that, eliminate. Some people are like, I don't like fractions. I told a student last period, well, fractions don't like you. They don't say that, right? They're impartial. Or you can have a lowest common denominator, LCD. Okay? So I'm going to choose, let's use eliminate the fraction. Let's just get rid of the fraction. Well, how do you do that? Quick fraction lesson. The factors of 3 is you just count by 3s. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Do you guys remember this? No? Okay. And then for the 4, you just count by 4s. So 4, what? What's next? 12, 16. Well, what is the lowest common, what's the lowest common number they have? 12. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 12. To eliminate the fraction, I'm going to multiply by our lowest common denominator. What you're going to see is in our next step, or eventually in a couple of steps, you're going to realize that the fraction is gone. So let's do this step by step. I'm going to do this color-coded. So if you've appreciated the different colors I've been using, you can use that with different colored pens, you can use highlighters, crayons. This 12 over 1, I have to distribute like candy to everyone in the group, right? So there's the 12. Okay, so I have 3x over 4. And then the 12 here, now I'm multiplying, is positive. And I'm multiplying it towards negative x over 3. Okay? And this side will be 12 times 10. 12 $10 bills is 120. Okay. Talk to your partner 5 seconds. How do you make 12 a fraction? Ready, set, go. We can just put it over 1. Okay, now you can do a couple of things here, but I think canceling parties are kind of fun. Okay? What do I mean by that? The factors of 12, and if you look at the denominator, you have a 4, so I'm not going to choose 2 times 6, I'm going to choose 4 times 3. Because that's 12, right? And this 12, I'm going to choose the same thing, 3 times 4. Why did I choose that? So I could do a canceling party. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then I'm just left with 9x. It's essentially the same thing as 12 divided by 4 is 3. We're going to do the same thing over here. Canceling party, 3 divided by 3. And then you have to pay attention on this one. We're left with what? 4 and the negative x. So that becomes negative 4x. Do you see how the fraction, the fraction was eliminated? And these are like terms. We just subtract the numbers in front. 9 minus 4, class? 5x. And how do you get rid of that 5? What do we see? What math operation? We see multiplication, so we do the opposite, which is division. How many $5 bills in 120? You should deal with money because that makes dollars and cents. So you can eliminate the fraction by finding the lowest common denominator, multiply that by that number, distribute, and you realize the fraction's gone.